Hi my lovely Pisceans, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So Pisceans, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of May 2022. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate at all. So just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Now Pisceans, while pre-shuffling for you guys, the cards just kept on jumping. There were a lot of different messages that were coming through, a lot of energies I was connecting to, but I will talk about only the ones that kept on showing up repeatedly. One of them being someone is very much stuck over some past memories, okay, or someone is not able to detach himself or herself from a situation or a person, okay. And you guys are very much, you guys just keep on trailing to the past, to the memories, to the time spent together, okay. And you are actually practically living in the past. You guys really need to detach, okay. Probably the situation is over and done with, the situation is over and done with, and probably that person is no more in your life, okay. There had been some ending, the situation has ended, but you are just not able to move on, guys. A serious detachment and cord cutting is required over here, okay. The second message that kept on coming repeatedly was someone is waiting for something. Now I feel that this could be a professional situation or work related situation, or something related to one's career. Like you have done your research, you have sown the seeds, but now you're just waiting. Probably, guys, there is a need for you to take an action, a need for you to take a step forward. Just waiting, okay, probably waiting for the right time could be fine, but there should be a time limit to that as well, right? Maybe it's time to step back and have a reality check, like, do I really need to take some action? Am I missing out anything? Okay, the moment you take the required action, you'll see things happening, okay. But I really feel that someone is just waiting for a really long time over something. And third message is someone definitely is not going to be single. Someone is going to have a relationship, new love life, and this is going to be a soulmate kind of a relationship, okay, a forever kind of relationship. That's the kind of message. These three messages were coming out very strongly, guys. So yeah, having said that, let's get started and see what messages show up for your primary reading. The Chariot. By the way, the Chariot, yesterday, which reading I had done, I think it was Aquarius, and yesterday only I was thinking how come Chariot has not shown up in any of my May readings. And trust me, guys, it's like someone has heard my voice, or I don't know what has happened. The Chariot just kept on showing up for you guys while I was pre-shuffling also, and it has shown up in your main reading as well. Just move this a bit. I hope you can see the cards now. Yep. Okay. So let me see what's at the, yeah, see, Two of Wands. Didn't I say that? Someone is just waiting. Lover's card. Ten of Pentacles. Okay. Wow. Karma. Wow. I am seeing this card for the first time ever since I've started using this deck. Oh my goodness. This card is actually giving me a lot of intense energies, and trust me, guys, I am feeling a little teary-eyed. I mean, some heavy energies are associated with this card. I can't define them. Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, someone is working very hard or rather on his or her career. Okay guys, so let's get started with your main reading. In your recent past, I could see that there was some sort of What do I say? There was some sort of someone look. It looks like someone kind of broke your trust. Probably, it's like you entered into an argument with someone with whom you had never imagined that you would have any sort of argument ever. Okay, that's the kind of message I'm getting. We will definitely come back and clarify this Five of Swords. But yeah, I also feel that either you or that person could have apologized, but I'm not sure whether this apology is completely accepted and digested by either of you, is what I'm seeing. For some of you guys, definitely definitely there is someone who is wanting to come in your life. Okay, someone really adores you and adores in every sense. Okay, this person could be younger than you guys. Pisces, I see that this person is younger to you. Okay, but whoever this person is, they really love you and they are really very much wanting to take this relationship ahead, is what I'm seeing. Okay, I see that in your current energies, you are very much working hard towards your goals. You have set some financial goals for yourself, maybe for this year or for the end of the year, and I definitely see these goals coming through. Maybe some of you guys might have set a goal to buy a new house, purchase a new property, or to purchase that diamond ring, or to purchase that dream car. I don't know what it is, but I definitely see that you have set some sort of financial goals or materialistic goals for yourself, and those goals are definitely going to come true or come into manifestation. There's going to be a lot of money and abundance coming your way, guys. Probably some of you guys might also get money from some inheritance or a property deal. You guys might even relocate from one place to another, is what I'm seeing. Okay, lot of abundance, and yes, relocation is what I'm seeing on the cards very much. You guys are working in a very dedicated and committed manner on your profession, and I also feel that some of you guys might this Page of Wands is telling me that some of you guys might be indulging in some passion profession. Okay, like if you like to for instance, if you like to write, you might start your blog. Okay, or maybe if you are painting, you might start your YouTube channel, sell your paintings. Okay, you might even end up generating revenue from your passion profession, is what I'm getting, from your hobby basically, is what I'm getting. For some of you guys, there's going to be some sort of news coming your way. There could be an opportunity for additional income coming your way, is what I'm getting. Okay, but or it could be a new job, new career opportunity, new business opportunity. That could also be the case, is what I'm seeing for some of you guys. Okay, and moving to your immediate future, guys, I feel that you are very close to achieving your dreams. Like, it's just a matter of one tiny step and you are there. Okay, you are there achieving your goals. Now this could be in terms of money or career goals for some of you guys, while for some of you guys it could be in terms of relationship. Okay, there is definitely someone who views you, or you view someone as your perfect partner, your soulmate, your ideal one. Okay, that's the kind of energy I'm getting, guys. Wish fulfillment is what I'm seeing over here on cards for you guys. Okay, there is strong Cancer energy coming through. Need not be, but Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and amongst that Cancer is what I'm seeing, and strong Earth energy is coming through. Okay, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo is what I'm seeing. Also, like I said, definitely someone is going to come towards you guys. This Knight of Cups, there is this Page of Wands and the Chariot. If you see the movement of the Chariot, okay, they are just headed towards you in a very headstrong manner, and they are going to offer you their cup, their love, their emotions, okay. And this is going to be um, this is going to be a soulmate relationship, guys, for sure. I don't have any doubts about this. It is orchestrated by your spirit guides and angels, okay. You are meant to come together in this lifetime is what I'm getting, okay. I also feel that some of you guys might partner together for work purposes is also what I'm getting, okay. Some of you guys are definitely waiting for something, guys. I mean, I have been seeing, I am getting this energy in a very, very dominant manner that there is something that you're planning to do, but you're just waiting. I don't know for what. So to this group of people, I would definitely like to advise that take that step, take that one step ahead, guys. I feel that you are probably very much close to, I would say close to achieving the final results, but at least the gates will open for you guys if you take that one step, okay. So do not worry, do not be anxious about anything. Just move ahead is what I'm getting from this reading, guys. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy, Gemini energy is coming through very strongly, and there is the shadow card. I feel that the shadow side is not an external one, but your own internal personality trait is what I'm getting. You are sitting a little in an energy of fear is what I'm getting, okay. You are sitting little in an energy of low confidence is what I'm getting, and probably that is what is delaying your progress, guys. That's what I'm getting very strongly. Please don't do that. You have done enough research, you have done adequate planning. Trust me, you are good to go, okay. And all you need to do is take that required step, and things will start falling in place. One thing will lead to another for you guys, okay. That's what this Chariot is telling me in your reading. I quickly want to clarify what this Five of Swords event was for you guys in your recent past. Yep, this definitely makes sense. You guys in your recent past, okay, you guys have probably ended some situation, ended some long-term association. It could be work related or personal, but I feel that there was some sort of betrayal, the energy or emotion of betrayal in this ending, and this was not an easy one. Someone definitely has broken your trust. There were some lies, there were some secrets kept, and that has actually hurt you deeply is what I'm seeing, guys. And that is the reason why, that's why I was getting while pre-shuffling also, you guys are not able to move away from this, okay. You guys are really, even now I feel you're stuck into some situation. This is a separate group of people that I am addressing. Scorpion energy coming through strongly. There is a lot of water in this energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, okay. But yes, there has been definitely endings. I kept on seeing Ten of Swords while pre-shuffling, which it has not shown up in your main reading, but Ten of Swords, and when I'm joining the dots with the Death card, I definitely am sure some things have ended. Some long-term relationship, maybe bond, friendship, or a job, anything which was there for more than like 5 to 10 years, it has ended, and it is difficult for you to move ahead is what I'm getting, guys. But there is also Fool showing up. The oh man, okay guys, now everything is making sense for some of you guys. We had seen the Karma card at the bottom, right? So the angels are telling you one karmic cycle of your life is over. Let go. See how these three people are praying to the moon, okay. One cycle of your life has ended. You have to start afresh. Like it's not a matter of choice, okay. You have to keep on moving ahead in life whether you want it or not, okay. The wheel of life is moving continuously, and you have to move with it. There's no point remaining stuck in the situation. There's no point remaining stuck in the past. whatever has happened because of your karmic connections from your past life karma. Okay, you had to pay some debts, probably you had to get some things in return, that kind of thing. But well, you really need to detach and move on in life is what I'm getting. Wow, extremely different message and very powerful message. And wow, this reading has a lot of intense energy to it is what I can tell you guys. Let's quickly see what messages we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Did something clip up just now? No. Okay. Bring love into the situation. Okay. Take self-care, indulge into self-care is what I'm getting, guys. The Knight of Cups was telling me this only. You really need not be so harsh on yourself is what I'm getting. Let's see what else. Conclusions are within reach and step out of your comfort zone. Yes, someone is very much fearful, and someone is rather, I would say, someone is rather denying the situation, denying the reality, and not willing to accept what is happening is what I'm getting, guys. I am sorry if this was a painful incident for you guys, but you really need to accept the situation and move on. Okay, you really don't have any choice, so you might as well do it and do it in the right way. Conclusions are within reach and you need to step out of your comfort zone, guys. Wow, what a powerful message at that. Let's quickly see what other messages we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Reconsider. Okay, what else? Anything else? I'll explain this card in a couple of minutes, guys. Nope. No has come twice. Okay, guys, let me explain this card. So if at all you guys have ended any relationship, you have ended any job, or I don't know what this ending was about, and if you are wishing that person comes back in your life, that energy comes back in your life, please note that the angels are strictly asking you to reconsider what you are hoping and wishing for, and the answer to that is a big fat no. They do not want you to get those energies back. The endings have happened for a reason. It was based on your karma, the other person's karma, the other energies karma. And if you are thinking, if you have any yes no question in your mind, the answer is big fat no. Okay, it is confirmed twice, and definitely you must watch your thoughts and reconsider what you're thinking. Wow, guys, wow, like just wow, what an intense reading. So Pisceans, I leave it at that. If any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up. Share experiences, drop comments. Last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.